You guys like my new hat? It's funky. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited because today I have a little bit of a vlog slash bunch of unboxings because my new bag from the Gucci Aria collection came in, and I also got new hats, which is what I'm wearing right now because I just am too lazy to take it off. But before I hop into that, I just wanted to say hello. Enjoy this all over the place video. I'll put timestamps if that interests you, and that's pretty much it. That's all I've got for you. Today it's the most exciting day, and it's, well, originally I thought it would just be the most exciting day because my smaller version of my bougie brush came in the mail. It's literally on my porch in a big box, which I'm going to unbox for you guys later. But it's also an exciting day because the bag that I ordered back in so I pre-ordered it in either late July or early August. It's finally freaking here, you guys. I'm so excited. All the things that I've ordered lately are coming in the mail today, which I'm not mad about. So that's what we're doing today. You're coming home with me. Hey guys, we're in my living room right now. You can probably tell by the Christmas tree and the owl wall. Pretty much a dead giveaway. I have a new bag, which is so exciting, that I have to unbox. And I was like, you know, instead of just filming like a single unboxing, I also have a package here from Revolve, can't get comfortable, that I need to unbox. So we're just gonna do both. So here's the thing. I thought today was gonna be exciting, like I said, because I was getting a new mini version of my bougie brush, which these are back in stock on Revolve. I'll link it in my description box. Everything I talk about will be in my description box. This brush has changed my life. I've talked about it a billion times. And the reason it's changed my life is because it feels so good and because it makes my hair look amazing. So I need to clean it, clearly. Anyway, I digress. I got a mini version of that brush. I mean, obviously you have the capability to like skip ahead, but why would you do that? You love my videos, obviously. Holy cow, I forgot. Okay. I'm excited. Oh my god. You guys, I want something to make me as happy as this damn brush has made me. You know, I probably will show more excitement about this brush than I will the bag that I'm unboxing. I'm just kidding, kinda. Keyword, kinda. Wow, this reminds me how much I need to clean out my brush. But if you're getting this brush for the first time, obviously I recommend the bigger one. However, I always want to like take one around whenever I'm shooting or traveling that's like smaller. They're like the Mason Pearson brushes, but way more affordable. So next thing I got was makeup. Oh, by the way, I have a gift guide on Amazon and on Revolve. So I'm gonna link those in the description box below too if you wanna check them out. This is a by Terry Brightening CC palette. I just needed a good palette for traveling. Ooh. I'm going to New York City in a few weeks and I needed some masks, just like disposable ones, because I tend to like misplace them whenever I travel. So I got these Evolve Together masks that everyone, I remember at the beginning of the pandemic, they were like back ordered, the N whatever masks. I got them for New York. So I got them in khaki and I got it in burgundy. So that's exciting. Next up, this hat. I keep seeing celebrities wearing these lack of color like bucket hats with the shirling. And I was like, you know, let's give it a shot. I think these are like under $100 and I think it looks so cute. By the way, I'm brainstorming all of my outfits right now for the 21 outfits for fall winter because I'm doing like a other video to it. But love this hat. And then I got this hat, which this hat is more expensive, but it's a brand that I keep seeing bloggers wearing and I was intrigued. And this is actually like so high quality. Oh my god, literally never heard of it until maybe like last month, and it's Ruslan Baz. I'm not even gonna try to pronounce it, but I got this hat. Okay, this is cute. Oh my god, this is so cute. Oh my god, I can't wait to wear this. As I said, I'm going to New York and I'm going to need all of the headwear. Okay, this is the thing I think we're all gonna collectively freak out about because I got the Isabel Marant jacket. Green version of it. I got it in a small. The other one I have is in a medium and it's humongous, and this was the last one available. So I got it and I'm so excited, and I literally need to put this on my body right now. I'm squealing. Look at my slippers. I'm so excited. This is the greatest thing ever in my life. Okay, that's dramatic, I know, but so I have this pair of liquid leggings I got last year from LPA. I wore them in Jackson Hole. They were my favorite thing ever, and those are still in stock on Revolve, but I wanted to try a more affordable pair. These ones are under $100, and they are Blank NYC. These are a staple in my winter wardrobe. They're just so fun. So I got these. I got them from Blank NYC. I got it in a size 28. So I'm very excited about that. Two more things. I promise we're almost done. So I don't know if you remember this. You might not, because you probably don't watch a lot of my videos. So I bought a pair of EB denim like 2 months ago, and they ran really small, and so I finally got the right size, and I got them in a 29. So you're definitely going to need to size up a size or two. I'm usually 27, 28. I got them in a 28 because I saw that they ran small, and those were even too small. So I'm excited. These are the jeans that have like the slit on the side that Hailey Bieber wears all the time. So I can't wait to try these on. And to go with that, I got this vest. Oh, a Canadian tuxedo. I'm so excited. So that is all of the goodness that I got from Revolve. Everything will be linked in the description box below. Hyped about it. I'm so hyped. You guys, oh, I love it. I love it. But like mainly I love this. It's so cute. The moment we have all been waiting for. Holy cow. If you guys are here for, I'll put it on the screen like where to skip to for this part of the video, so welcome. Please go back and watch the parts you missed. I got a new bag, and if you guys aren't aware, there is like a hacker project that Balenciaga and Gucci did. Balenciaga and then they did some with Gucci, but it's like a crossover. They previewed this I think in April, so it's the Aria collection, and I was dead over it. And I would constantly go to my Gucci here in Nashville, and I was like, you know, is there any way I can get on this list? When does the list open up? Because I need to be on this list. This is back in July. So the guy took my information, was like, I will contact you next week and we can like put you on the list. Never heard from him again. So I took matters into my own hands and I was like, you know, let's find this. By the way, sorry, I'm like still wearing this. Let's find this freaking bag, because this bag, also yes, to say it weird is fine, it's just an essential, something I need. So I found someone on Instagram. It was a sales associate based out of Houston, Saks. There's Gucci there apparently, and contacted the woman. I said, here's the money, put me on the list, and she said, amen, sister friend. And it's here. I pre-ordered this, paid in full, because that's how you had to get on the list. I have been waiting, but it's been worth it, and I'm so excited. And she's beautiful. I already know she's beautiful. I'm just staring at the box. People working on our street, in case you hear it. She overnighted it to me. What a gem. Customer service at the Saks in Houston. I've never been to Houston, but I hear it's really nice. Better than the Gucci here, so that's for sure. Shade. Here's the tissue paper. Just Gucci tissue paper. Gucci tissue paper. Oh my god. That they didn't throw in the little shopping bag that comes with the Gucci Aria collection. It's like half Balenciaga, half Gucci. But it's fine. I'll live, I guess. Are you ready, kids? I've never bought a Gucci bag new, so this is a thrill. I wanted this because it was a part of history. I'm a history freak, I'm a fashion freak, and this is truly like one in a million to me. So the dust bag, it's Balenciaga, it's Gucci, it's Balenciaga, it's Gucci, it's Balenciaga. We're opening it. Oh my god. Oh, it's like a coated canvas. I wasn't expecting that. All of my vintage Gucci bags are like a more like threaded canvas. I don't know, is this like the new Gucci way, or is this like just how it looks for the Balenciaga collaboration? I'm not sure. But oh my god, I love this. I think this is bigger than my other hourglass. It kind of looks bigger. I'm not sure. Should I go get it? I will. Let's open her up. I like this because it's more of like a taupey color. It's just a color I don't have in my collection. Oh my god, it says Balenciaga on the inside. The details are everything. Then in here is the strap. I'm literally throwing up, crying, puking, shitting myself, all of the above. Oh my god. Are you kidding? Oh my god. Oh my god. It's so fucking good. It's so good. It's so good. Oh my god. How many times am I gonna say oh my god? Like at least 20 more times. What else I need to say is this is my last bag for a very long time. I say that, but I'm going to New York City next week, so, or in 2 weeks, so I could be lying, but here is the extra small, and then this is the size small. I feel like low-key, like they don't look that much different, but they will fit way more in this one, obviously. So they nailed this. This was so epic. I'm so excited about it. I feel like I need like a moment alone with this purse because it's just too good. It's getting a little loud out there, so I'll talk to you in a minute. I got something in from Amazon before I unboxed my new shoes, and this is the ribbon that I used on our Christmas tree this year. It's beautiful, but I don't know if you can tell, some of the bows are a little bit smaller than others because I ran out. I ordered 2 rolls of ribbon. I know this is gonna sound stupid, but I just didn't realize how much ribbon was required to make a bow. So this is my 3rd one. I bought them on Amazon. I should probably put lip gloss on because I ate lunch. There we go. Okay, so as I said, everything that I've like purchased recently came in the mail today, so it's never like this, I promise. But I ordered these about 2 weeks ago. Nike released the Next to Nature Dunks, which are black and white. They're like the pandas, just different on the inside. And I tried to get them, didn't get them. Website kept crashing, typical. And I really wanted them, and so I was looking to find just either those or the pandas somewhere, and I ended up finding them on eBay, pre-owned, but like it's all the same to me. So I got these for a really good deal. If you're unfamiliar, eBay they authenticate the ones that say authenticity is guaranteed. It's free to sell sneakers. Who knew? So I bought them. I am a size 8. You can't even tell, honestly, like for someone who actually just wears the sneakers, not to be like a hype beast. I don't care if there's a freaking crease because it's gonna crease anyway. So here's my new shoes. I'm very excited about them. Yeah, so they were authenticated by eBay. They took about a week and a half probably to get here, but I love them. I've wanted these for so freaking long. There's this store here in East Nashville called City Gear that sells like dunks and stuff, and they posted that they had the black and white dunks like a few months ago, and I was like, I don't need them. And basically ever since then I've regretted that because I could have got them for like, you know, the normal price, but these were like under $200, so I feel like that's a steal. So those are my new shoes. I'm like way too many bags right now, but I can never have too many shoes, right? We're moving on to shoes. Now that I have like all of the bags in the world, let's like take this, you know, obsession elsewhere. So let's go upstairs. I want to try on some of this stuff that I got from Revolve, and then I'm gonna end this little minor tiny vlog so then I can edit it and post it, because I know you guys are dying to see the bag. Okay, here is a behind the scenes of me filming this reel for you guys, because I know everybody wants to see. Took a few attempts, but we got what I wanted, which is an unboxing. Exciting. Here is the EB denim in a size up than my usual. And then this shirt, whew, it literally has no stretch in it, but it's still a vibe, just a corset vibe. What do we think? Cute. Kind of into it, like not buttoned fully. Kind of a vibe. Okay, next up are these leggings. I got them in a size 28, like I told you guys. It's really interesting because the fit sizing thing on Revolve said that I should get a 29. And I was like a little nervous because I was like, okay, what if this 28 like really runs small? But I actually feel like I could have gotten a 27. So I would recommend getting your size or even a size smaller, just depending on how you want it to fit. So they have like the zipper up the back. I don't know, I love these kind of leggings. And then I also have the hat on that I got from Lack of Color, which is so cute. Oh my god. They have it in multiple colors on Revolve, so check that out. Oh my god, so cute. Also, look at my Christmas tree. Ooh, we are so cozy. These are my sweats from the last haul I filmed with Revolve. I don't think I ever got to show you how they looked on. They're so cute. And then let's try on this hat with it. I'm literally dying at how cute this is. I always wanted to try the furry hat trend, but I didn't want it to be like a cheaper Amazon furry hat because those ones are really thin and you can kind of, like, in my opinion, tell that they're pretty cheap. This one's obviously way more expensive, but it's so cute. Literally adorable. Now I'm going to add on the new Isabel Marant shacket, which is still available in the pink online. Have you ever seen anyone more cozy in your entire life? I think the answer to that is probably not. Oh my god. So cute. I always get questions if I have like a code for you guys for Revolve, and I actually don't have like a personal one, but I believe there's like 2 10% off coupon codes you can use. If I can find them, I'll put them on the screen. If not, check the description box, but this is so cozy. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. So adorable. Also, yes, this is dead. Whatever. Cute. I'm obsessed with this tree behind me. Do you want to see it? I'll show you. So here's my Christmas tree in my office. I did bows on this one too. Going through like a bow phase right now. I don't really understand. So I have these ornaments from like pearly looking ones from Target, and then I have these ones which are like iridescent from At Home. And then this ribbon is from Target and this ribbon is from Joann's fabric. I also got this like garland that twinkles, which I think is fun. Like when the light hits a certain ornament, it makes it look pink. Thanks for watching today's video. I'm sorry it was all over the place. Normally my luxury videos are a little bit more in depth, but I really wanted to get this video up as soon as possible for you guys. So enjoy this video. I will be doing a 21 outfits for fall winter, mainly winter because fall's pretty much over now. So be sure you check that, or be sure you subscribe so then you can check that out later. And until next time, I'll talk to you all later. Bye!